what's up ulit guys? So, hindi po sana ako magpupunta kasi meron po akong sakit na tinatawag ay Bell's palsy. So, yes, yung kabila kong mukha hindi ko masyadong galaw. So, mapapansin nyo hindi ko talaga po masyadong hindi po ito talaga biro. Sabi na, bale, nagpa-check up naman na ako noon. Sabi naman ng doktor na nasa nerve lang talaga yan. Wala, ang timbang ko ngayon para sa inyo, para ma-guess nyo, ang timbang ko po is 76. Heart pressure, basta yun, sa mga 132. Tapos yun, ako sabi, binigyan na po ako ng mga medicine. So, yes. Makita niyo po na hindi ko masyadong magagawa. Bale, ilalagay ko rin lang po dyan sa baba kung guys, sakit ko ngayon. So, sana, enjoy nyo po itong video ito. So, please, start na po natin. So, dito po tayo maglalaro po ito sa Remnant of Tablet. So, yes, start na po natin. So, ano na nga siya, parang kamukha ako na nga eh. So, kita kayo. Night guard wanted. All daycare soon to be demolished is looking for a nighttime security guard. Apply quickly and see color package. So, maskara yun guys, maskara.
Yeah, hello. This is Paul. We spoke on the phone earlier. Just here to give you a couple of notes on the do's and don'ts here whilst you get settled. I know the place is a bit messy and the setup isn't luxurious. We really need security behind that desk. It's a genuine miracle no one has broken in yet, especially considering the floodlights, gates, and fencing, everything you saw when you got here. But enough about that, and let's get into what's going to be keeping you up. To put it bluntly, you are not alone. Yep.
Hindi ano, yan ang kasama ko.
Same ones they used back in the day. Weirdly, they still work. Though something about their passing is that they're not really allowed in the room you set you up in. So if they enter your room, they could knock stuff over and probably damage themselves more than they already have.
Ba't mo ganyan? Kamunsayta, boss.
There's Dipsy, which is the green one. One that's in your office. They just put on the submask and put on your desk. Some of them still
Ano yung mangyayari kung meron ako?
station, which I'm pretty sure.
Ay, tinapos itong aso nito.
So if they scan the
Sensya na guys, di ko masyado talagang
they
nakapagsalita ng mga
just an employee. Yes, the IDC. They're pretty much
Yep, I'm dead. I'm dying.
Well, never mind. Just make sure you're hasty about getting that mask on. Always a good thing to check his position.
O, diba? Halatang di nakikinig, diba? Ang galing.
Last thing is the old voice trumpet. It's somewhere around and I cannot remember where we last
Shit,
heard
I'm
it
dying.
actually. But if you see it, there is a pop-up in one of the
Overwork tayo.
cameras
Ang galing!
that you'll have to
Ang galing kong
find.
tungang.
Just
Kamukha ako
click
na si
it
Tabis.
and it'll reset. It's a bit finicky, so you'll have to find which camera it is in. Alright, that should... yeah, that's everything. I'll make sure to call you and see how everything goes. Just give you updates and whatnot. Alright, see you tomorrow. Bye.
Ball. Nag-start na yung oras ko. So far so good. So ano tayo? So isang way lang naman pala eh. Saan ba to? Oh, ito siya nga to. Yup, sabi na, siya nga to. Si Tatsulok. Sabi oh, tatulak yan oh. Kitchen. Nap time. Nap time. So, bumababa na. Stairwell. Ito, storage. Hallway. Party room. Kitchen. Party room ulit. Diba, pasensya na, hindi ko masyadong mabigkas sa mayos. Bali guys, mawawala din lang po to. Wala na siya. Ano siya kayo? Wala. Oh, sabi na. So far, so good. No, nawala. Ano siya kayo? Sabi na siya nga yun. Tarantado! Nalabit na siya sa akin. What the fuck? Who are you? Who are you? Oh damn! Wala. Narinig ko tayo. Boom! Get! Oh shoot! I'm dead! All dead! Siya na yun. Oh wala. Anong nangyari? Ang galing. Saan siya kayo? Ang siya ulit to guys. Ayan. So, siya lang na. Dali. Napakadali. Look ko. Bilis nyo, shoes. Ay, ayun na yun. Ano, wala ka man lang ka-ano, guys. So, yes. Lalagyan po natin ng ano yan. Ewan. Basta yun, alam nyo na yun. Punta na kayo, manood ka lang. Oy, mag-edit nito. Lagyan mo ng music yun, ha? Yung bis niya. Teka lang, boss. Yung bis niya nga. Ano ka? Wait. Hanapin mo. Bogish. Patay ka. Ayan na. Tawa. Nakita ko yun. Oops. Ay tuloy. Kasi di ko nakita eh. May aswang pala ako dito eh. Saan siya nga eh? Patay na ako. Ayun, okay lang. Nandiyan lang siya. Naku ko. Ang bisyo ko. Okay na. 1 minute na lang guys, 1 minute na lang. Yep, yan na naman siya. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, siya na, wala siyang music eh. Dadagdagan na lang na. siya ko eh. Yup, naririnig ko na yan, hanapin ko na yun. Kabling! No? Ano siya? Ayan, nakita ko, nandito, ayan siya. Ayan siya. Tapos na. Night complete eh. Okay, night to tayo. Ooh, what's the button do? Hello?
Hey up, back
Hi.
again. Bit surprised really, but anyway. I'm talking on these calls. It's getting busier and better. So you're occupied anyway. So with what's new, you'll have a new friend tonight, Poe.
Poe.
The red one that'll be joining your roster. Don't worry, she's not nearly as bad. Adoring face. Then only among the clubs. Anyway, she has a set pathing all around the building, unlike the others. I think it was for her giving custard to the customers so she could pick up a drop-off bowls. She's pretty easy to spot on the cameras. If you listen, you'll hear music. But if that music stops, then she's probably coming to your room.
Ano?
Simple solution. See that big red button?
Yes?
We yanked it from the music controllers, so if it stops playing, just press it and she'll carry on with her original path. So make sure you keep watch of her. Oh, one other thing that was mentioned to me that I should let you know. By now you've most likely seen the voice trumpet and wondered what exactly it does when it stands. Well, I did some digging and found out they would play a specific tune for the show called The Great Tubby Rush, or something like that. The audio output is completely knackered, but the programming still works. Basically, it makes the characters faster. But the only issue is that once they get to a speed, they're essentially stuck in it. So, yeah, not great. Just keep an eye out for it. Okay, I think that's it. Oh, wait, sorry. I almost forgot. Now, one thing about Poe. If the music is still playing, do not press the button. No fannying around with it, alright? I
Button.
trust that you won't. That's all.
Bawa!
I know
Pindutin kagad.
it's awful, but I'm sure you can handle it. Okay, see you tomorrow.
Guys, pwede ko lang pinutin. Walang nangyari. Ganun kadali. Saba nga. Wala. Ay, ito siya, oh guys. Wait, what the fuck? Wait, what the fuck? Ano na siya? Wala! Oh! Sabi na nga, huwag naman pindutin eh. I died. Ano siya? Ano siya ngayon? Ayun, kita ko na. Kita ko na siya. Ayun, kita ko. Woo! Parang talaga problema ko eh. So far so good guys, so far so good. Siya na, masyadong ginagalaw yung mukha ko guys kasi once na nahanginginan tumitigas. Ay, sumasakit yung mata ko. So, nasa na tayo? Wala ko, wala. Ayun, okay na. Woo! Ba't nakakamukha ako? Yup. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, up! Diba? Ganun lang kadali. Oh, nasa na siya. Yun siya oh. Yep, that's the cue. Boosh! Sabi na! Sabi na! No! Gisuwas, huwag ka pupunta dito. Kala ko. Tignan nyo guys. Nawala yung isa. Nawala nga siya. Loko. Loko. Ito silang dalawa guys. Si dalawang kalbo. As always. Yep. Naloko. Patay. Kita kita dyan, boss. Yep. Oh! Woo! Kinabahan ako doon! Kinabahan ako doon! Yep. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh! As always. Diba? Ang galing. Ang galing kong tungang. Ayun, nakita ako. Ayan. Saan siya? Loko, saan siya? Okay. So far so good guys. So far so good. Anong oras na? No! Kupurwa lang! Ang daya naman! Okay. Wait. Wala akong makita. Ayun, nakita ko yung dalawa. Kita ko yung dalawa guys. Ito siya. Wala. Nukpok ka. Woo! Kulat ako. Saan ka pumunta? Diyan ka lang. Huwag mo nang mamamatay ng music box. Oh. Sabi na. Woo. Woo. Woohoo! Wait, what? Parang may narinig ako. Abang!
A few minutes later.
Yup. 1, 2, 3, go! Ayan na ba? Oy! Sabi na. Diyan ka lang. Wala. So far so good guys. So far so good guys. Okay guys. Okay na guys. Magti 3 AM na tayo. Wait, natin siya. Wait. Boosh. Kita ka niya doon, boss. Woo! Woo! Wala ko makita. Saan ko makita? Ayun. Woo! Naban ako! Bigay mo na sa akin, please. Bigay mo na sa akin yung night tree, guys. Wala siya. What? Woo! Okay. 4, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60! Haha! Yes, so! Woo! Night 3 guys, night 3. Night 3 tayo guys. Tingnan natin night 3. bago ba?
Yeah, I'm going to cut straight to the point with this call. By now I'm assuming you're having a face-off with your new friend, Tinky Winky, who tried to move into a different room for days now, but for some reason, he comes right back to your room like a moth to a flame.
Ha? Ito ba yun?
Threat is very easy. Same thing you do with Dipsy. You may want to get a bit of a better look at you. Since he's missing his legs, it might take him a while. But if he gets close, pop that sun mask on and you'll be A-okay.
Ay, okay.
I will try and figure out why and do some looking around. Work here is slowing down since demolition got delayed for the next couple of days. Alright, that should be it for tonight.
No.
I'll chat with you tomorrow.
Siman. Start na. Yun lang yung sinabi niya. Tarantado. Tangina, sino nga bang di madidisappoint dun? Gagalaw ko na ba? Ano yun ay? Talo na ako. Ano, gagalaw na yun oh. Dalaw. Ay, parang tinitignan niya ako sa mata. Mata to mata. Parang may nagtititigan lang. Ano, nawala yung isa. Ano siya? Ano siya? Bilis niya. Wait lang. Ano mong daya? Oh. Yup, kita ka dyan. Yes, nandito siya. Ala ka! Ala ka! Saan mo ginagawa ko? One, two, three, go! Ayan na! Yes, ah! Tarantado to. Kalbo ka na nga. Man. Saan siya? Woo! Woo! Oh, what the fuck? Oh, shit! Diyan ka lang kung lalapit. Boom! Patay mo yan, patay mo yan. Wala ko! Ano nangyayari? Wala ko. Ano naman? Huwag ko lalat. Yes. Wala. Oh. What the fuck? Yup, ayoko na. Tara na ako. Oh, what the heck? Bago na. Yup. So, dito muna natin tatapusin itong ramen. Dito muna natin tatapusin itong ramen of Tabilahan. So, yes, kung nagustuhan itong video to, please leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next episode. Thanks. Bye!